It's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. The Civic has a long history of excellence and of constantly moving forward. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend adds the hard plastic and cheap-looking rice paper dashboard is gone in favor of a deeper grain material that resembles leather. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.